What's up, y'all? It's your favorite wig reviewer, Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with this unit from Julia Hair. She is a 26-inch lace frontal wig, and the color on her is 427, and this is a highlighted colored wig. She is 150% density, and the hair texture is straight. And as you can see, she has this gorgeous, gorgeous color. And this was a really fun wig for me to work with because I've never reviewed anything like this before. And I did a really cute half up, half down style on her, and I got so many compliments. So we are going to basically install the wig how we do all the other wigs with our got to be method. And I'm going to show you how to get a sleek silk ponytail on your lace front wigs. Step one to getting a perfect sleek high ponytail is you need to make sure that your wig is glued down properly and that it's dry, so because you don't want it lifting when you are going to put it up in the ponytail. So I'm going to take a blow dryer after I take my wig, after I take my scarf off. The scarf helped it lay, but the blow dryer is going to make sure it's set and it's on that scalp hunty. Now this part is optional, but I wanted two little pieces in the front just to frame my face. I wanted that out while the rest of it is going to be up in a ponytail. So if you do want to do this style, this portion to the style also, you want to make sure you're parting it out before you do your ponytail, obviously. So that's what I'm doing. Next, you're going to want to part out your baby hairs on the side if you are going to add baby hairs to your ponytail, because once you slick the ponytail up, your baby hairs are going to be glued down and you're not going to be able to get to them. So if you do want to take baby hairs out, you need to do that now. Now, the hot comb is absolutely essential if you want a sleek, slick ponytail. You absolutely necessarily need a hot comb, and it makes a huge difference. I never noticed it until I actually used one. So get you a hot comb, girl. The one that I just showed you, that was literally only $10 at my local beauty supply, and it does the job. Next, after you've kind of molded your hair up, you want to spray you some got to be up there so it's nice and silky and shiny, and it helps the hot comb take to the hair better, so it just molds her going up and Yeah, as you can see, she's kind of already coming together. And now that she's as flat as possible, we are going to take that top portion and get us a ponytail holder and put our ponytail in there. Take you some scissors and or a razor comb and begin to cut your baby hairs. And of course, if I'm going to keep my wigs on for a certain amount of time, I'm going to use the got to be on my edges just so it's laid and slayed for a couple of days. Just so we can mold these two pieces down the way we want them to go, I'm also going to use the hot comb on this portion too. And the hot comb and got to be literally is a lifesaver when it comes to wigs. So if you ain't been using this method, baby girl, where you been at? I decided to keep her straight, and I think she looks so cute, fun, girly, summertime. I just love it. I love how sleek the ponytail is, and I just look so good. And I have so many got so many compliments on it, and I think this color actually goes to my skin tone very good. So if you want to try this style out yourself and try this wig, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much, Julia Hair, and I'll see you in my next one.